Body Break.
Body Break with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Oh, yeah.
Lots of fresh fruit is a sure sign that summer's here and a good reason to whip up a dessert that will satisfy your sweet tooth.
So here's one of our favorite low-fat desserts.
In a bowl, add 1 cup of washed raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and sliced strawberries. Then gently mix the fruit. Berries provide a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Pour 3/4 of a cup of whipped topping in a mixing bowl. Whip at high speed until soft peaks form, and don't worry, you can't over-whip. This topping has 70% less fat than real whipped cream, tastes just as good, and has no artificial sweeteners. It's also suitable for people who are lactose intolerant. Next, alternate a layer of whipped topping and berries in a parfait or sherbet glass, ending up with whipped topping and chocolate shavings. Keep this very berry delight in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun. It's fine.
Body Break.
Body Break.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.